Yesware Contact is your inbox's new address book. There, you can keep updated contact information, notes, log of past interactions, and use shortcuts to start correspondence. Contacts comes free on all Yesware tiers, but has an enrichment feature where you can use prepaid credits to enhance the detail of a contact's page with information that may not be available to you. To get started, click on the Contacts tab found on the Yesware app site to be taken to your directory. Use the search bar to find a profile by name or email address. You can also search through the directory through tags associated with a contact. Use the filter button to see all tags you have created for current contacts. When you find the desired contact, click to be taken to their profile. To update or add to the profile, users can either manually type into the desired line of information or use the enrichment function to autofill new or more updated information. To enrich the profile, click on the purple Enrich Data button. When the pop-up appears, you'll be able to compare the current profile versus the enriched profile. If you're content with the results, leave the enriched profile box checked and hit Save. If you decide not to enrich, select the current profile box instead. Keep in mind, one enrichment equals one credit. You can find the number of available credits on your account on the top right corner. To check if and when you last enriched a profile, simply hover your mouse above the Enrich Data button. In the middle, you will find the contact timeline. Here you will see a log of when messages were sent, replies received, and meetings booked between you and the current contact you're viewing. On the right, you have a notepad area to write notes you can reference during calls or when writing emails. Utilize the quick action buttons to quickly add the contact to a campaign or to start a new email via a mail to link. A contact page is automatically generated when you send out an email to a new recipient, but you also have the option to manually create one. To get started, click on the New Contact button found on the top right of the app site. The only required field to create a contact page is the email address. However, if you have additional information for a user, like name, be sure to add it in. Once completed, hit Create to finalize the process. Though we recommend filling in as much as you can from the inception of the contact, you can come back to add or edit information on a profile at any time simply by clicking on the line you wish to update. Be sure to take advantage of the enrichment feature to fill in gaps on the contact's profile, or if you just want to refresh information to keep it as current as possible. Again, if the enriched profile looks good to you and you are content with the results, keep the enriched profile box checked and hit Save. As your directory grows, you may need to manage several contacts at once. Check off the contact box of one, a few, or all contacts to mass tag, delete, or add to campaigns.